Hi, welcome. I want to teach you the Bollinger Band indicator. Please subscribe to the channel before training so that you do not miss new topics. Thanks. You can see the Bollinger Band indicator on the chart. If it was difficult for you to identify the trend, you can get help from this indicator. This indicator gives us two more signals. Let's define a trend first, then I will teach you the signals. You can see that the price has formed an upward trend. This orange line in the middle of this indicator is an average of the last 20 candelas. When the price is high, it acts as a support. When the price is low, it becomes a resistance. The first signal that Bollinger Band gives us. The tightening and tightening of the Bollinger Band is the price. When this happens to Bollinger Band, the price makes a good move either from below or from above. You see, after the price is squeezed, the price will move up and we will move with the price. He even created an opportunity and returned to the average of the last 20 candlesticks and then continued on his way. The next signal it gives us is that when the candlesticks pierce the Bollinger Band line and go out. If these candles have shadows, we will have a more reliable signal. It is likely to react to the average of the last 20 candlesticks and then fall again. This is a good and my favorite indicator that you can use very well. If you are interested in learning more, you can subscribe to my channel. Let us give a few examples to understand more.